this is Bosslady Shruti and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you're watching, hello, this is Shruti. I usually make videos on beauty, fashion, lifestyle and a little bit of travel. So consider subscribing to my channel if this is the first time you're watching. I am sure I will not disappoint you. And today I wanted to kind of share my Get Unready with me video. I used to love watching these kind of videos back in the day. I don't know if people even do this nowadays, but I just wanted to share it with you guys because I have a bunch of new things that I have been trying out and I can't wait to share it with you guys. This is something that I like doing at the end of the day. So without any further ado, let's get unready. Starting off with, this is me right after a gym session. Not the avatar that you're used to seeing me here on Instagram or YouTube. And here today, after a really grueling session, I really wanted to, get into the shower and wash my hair. As you can see, my hair is very dry. As you can see, I have very dry hair, especially in the winter months. I deal with a lot of frizz also because I tend to use quite a lot of heat in my hair. So I definitely needed to wash my hair. So we are going to quickly jump into the shower. So once I jump into the shower, the first thing that I do is slightly wet my hair and then go in with my current shampoo obsession, which is the L'Oreal Paris 72-hour moisture filling shampoo. This range from L'Oreal is actually super exciting because the main ingredient is hyaluronic acid, and I have made so many videos even before this talking about hyaluronic acid. That is honestly, I feel, in today's times, one magic ingredient that has so many uses on skin and now for hair. I have used hyaluronic acid on my skin and it has given me such amazing results in the past. When L'Oreal launched this line, I was like, I need to try this out ASAP because honestly I was thinking, yaar, hyaluronic acid jaisa कुछ बालों के लिए बनता हो तो कितना amazing होता, and it's like L'Oreal just answered my prayers. So first I go with this shampoo on my hair. I take a dollop of this in my palms and work it into a lather all over my scalp. I try and use the shampoo mainly in the scalp area. After I'm done with shampoo, I quickly go ahead with the 72-hour moisture conditioner. This is absolutely amazing. It smells divine and it gives my hair such smooth, soft, shiny results. I like to really concentrate the conditioner and use a very generous amount of it on my ends because I have colored hair. So my ends definitely need a lot of love, and this conditioner has made such a difference to my hair because my ends feel a lot more calm and tamed and don't have a lot of frizz in them. After I am done with my shampoo and conditioning, I quickly go and do my skincare. And like I said, hyaluronic acid is a huge part of my skincare routine as well. So here is me using that in my skincare routine because your girl wants super hydrated, plump skin. So shampoo and conditioner is two-step of the process, but for me, the miracle part of the whole process is this 72-hour night cream from this range. This leaves my hair so smooth and shiny. I usually like using this on dry hair, not really on wet hair, and leave it overnight. The Hydra Filling Night Cream is my favorite from the range. It gives 4 times the hydration and softness overnight. I just apply it along my hair length and leave it on overnight. And the best part is that you do not need to rinse this off next day in the morning. It seals your cuticles overnight and does not leave your hair weighing down. I love using this entire range together because it leaves my hair super shiny, bouncy and full of life. As you can tell, I am fully leherawing my hair here, there, everywhere, and honestly I feel this is because of the night cream that I've been using for almost 2 to 3 weeks now. This night cream can be used by a variety of hair types. So if you have curly hair, straight hair, colored hair, treated hair, or anything of that sort, this is an all-rounder product. So I'm sure that if you buy one tube of this, multiple people in the house can use it as well, which I think is great. You know, when you buy a product which not only you but your mom can use and your sister can use and even like your husband or boyfriend can use, I feel that is truly worth every penny that you spend on that product. These kind of products get me really excited because I feel like there's been so much of research that has been put into something like this. And when L'Oreal comes out with a product, I am always very excited because I trust the brand. I've been using their products for the better half of my adult life, and I am in love, and I mean in love, with this night cream. Usually I get done with this right before I have my dinner so that I can finally relax, have my dinner, have some me time, and yeah, just relax and unwind and get ready to sleep. So yes, that is my get unready with me video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please let me know in the comments down below what kind of further videos you would like me to film. I would love to shoot those videos for you guys. I will leave a link to these products in the description box, so definitely check it out. And if you're buying one product from this, definitely try out the night cream because I feel like it is mwah, bellissimo, beautiful. So yeah, that is it for today. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy. Mwah.